So I had to record this. I don't know if I'm gonna post it, but I definitely wanted to be able to record it. Yesterday was a day. I'm learning so much by journaling and having these videos to look back on to really evaluate, my feelings about trading, some of the things that I'm doing right in my trading. It's really cool to be able to document my growth and see me learn new things, apply new things, and start to get results from those things. And then the other part of it is, having a video record of, some of the mistakes that I make, and how I deal with the mistakes, some of the failures that come along with trading, and how to bounce back from that, and psychologically how to make sure that I'm always putting myself in a ideal probabilistic kind of situation, making sure that I'm aware of those things that rear up in my trading and in my investing, is that greed and impatience, and not necessarily FOMO, fear of missing out. For those that don't know, FOMO, yes, it is a thing, but it's not. I'm not really bad about it where I have to chase different stocks that are running, because I know that in the market there's just so many different opportunities to make money. So I'm not necessarily trying to jump on every single stock that's running. So a lot of times what I'll do in the morning is I'll open up my scanner and look at the top percent gainers, and part of my strategy is I'm looking at stocks that are up a significant amount of volume on the day and a percent gain on the day. And essentially the goal is to wait and see what happens at the open, to see if these stocks that are really up a significant amount, if there's a bit of a panic sell right at the open, and just giving it time to maybe have a panic dip buy, buy on the bottom, or near the bottom as it kind of retraces. And a lot of times I'm looking to sell going into different zones, new highs, or at least pre-market highs, or sell into resistance. One of the things that really screwed me up yesterday is two things. Whenever I try to take a position or buy before the open or pre-market, it just doesn't work out very well for me. And I've had winning trades where I have took a position and have been able to buy and sell and make money. But I can't say, since I've been journaling, I consistently have been profitable by buying before the market. One of the big issues is, with the market, you never really know exactly what a stock is going to do. And in addition to that, there's not a lot of volume that's coming into the market before pre-market. And so with me being a momentum trader, a volume trader, if I can be patient and wait to market open, or at least 5, 10, 15 minutes into the trading day, I think that over time is going to aid me in my trading. So where I haven't been this whole year, I have not been patient with taking trades and letting them play out, being okay with missing runners and things like that are moving pre-market or right at the open, because a lot of times myself and other people, we get trapped right at open. And so I'm in immediate drawdown on my position, and now I'm trying to, hope that my stop isn't taken out, or I'm battling with the thoughts of crap, should I average down? I believe in this trade. I think it's gonna bounce. I know that it's not a smart idea to average down. If anything, you want to average up into winners, but you don't. It's a dumb strategy to buy down, average down. So Yesterday I had a red day. I would say I didn't follow my rules in the sense of the trade that I took. I did not calculate my appropriate risk size, and because of that, I hit max daily drawdown, which was really stupid because I had a couple really good trading days at the end of last week to recover some of the losses that I had, and I know better. You know, part of my trading plan is making sure that I am not taking trades without having a clearly defined entry and exit, and having my max daily loss kind of built out in my position size. I didn't do that. I really impulsively jumped into a stock that was running, and it was like really wide spread, so it was jumping all over the place. And my goal was to, you know, get into position, take decent size, maybe 100, 200 shares, and as I was in profit, because I bought near high a day like a dum-dum, but as I was in profit, my goal was to put in a trailing. My goal was to put in a trailing stop. That way, I can ride the move as high as it was going to go, because, you know, like I said, it was towards the high of day, so I didn't exactly know a really clear take profit zone or area, because it's kind of like no man's land. You know, I looked at the history, you know, the 2-3 months, but it was really trading in some different levels that it really didn't have any clear levels as far as where it could go. And it was just a lot of volume and a tremendous amount of movement in the spread. And I didn't get a chance to put in that trailing stop, because immediately when I bought at the high, it started pulling back, and I was in drawdown, and I averaged down like I wasn't supposed to, and I just kind of shot myself in the foot. So really, the guilt of not following my plan, and the whole mental, it really just sent me on a spiral yesterday. So yesterday was a rough day. A lot of other things kind of bled into my overall mood. So, you know, today's a better day. I trust myself, and part of me trusting myself in this trading journey is making sure that I am sticking to the plan, sticking to the rules, documenting, you know, what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong, and, you know, giving myself a pass, continue to educate myself, and just know that I'm on a journey. Part of this journey is to take losses. Part of this journey is to learn and to stay committed. So that's really all I got. If you like this video, if you've ever done some things like that in your trading, comment below. I'd love to, get a little engagement, for the folks that see this video, and stay encouraged. Trading is a journey. So appreciate you checking this video out, and I hope you have a great day. Peace.